Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Thursday afternoon from the Modern Wall Street studio here in Wall Street. And you're probably wondering, James, why aren't you dressed in your normal business suit and shirt and tie? Because tonight is Game 4 of the Subway Series, and I've got tickets. And right when this session is done, I'm getting out of here, taking the 4 train up to the Bronx from Wall Street, up to Yankee Stadium, 161st Street, and I'm going to watch the Mets win this game and tie up the series, and still give me the right to say that the Mets are the better team of New York. Regardless, they still are the better team. And with that stated, it's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. I'm ready to run out of here. I hope you are too, because it's a special Subway Series happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks, they were mostly flat this Thursday despite a rise in oil prices as Wall Street looks ahead for tomorrow's jobs report. But before tomorrow, we have to first focus on oil prices today, settling 2.7% higher. $41.93 a barrel just one day after surging more than 3% amid a drawdown in gasoline inventories. Meanwhile, investors also taking in the Bank of England's very first rate cut since 2009. The Bank of England increasing its government bond buying program by £60 billion to a total of £435 billion. That's a lot of pounds. At the same time, investors also taking in economic data right here in the United States. Weekly jobless claims coming in slightly above expectations. Factory orders for June falling 1.5%. That was less than expected. And when you have yourself a session right now where gold is just inching higher and the dollar just inching higher, then you have yourself a session right now where about 4 stocks have advanced. For every 3 decliners just a block away over at the stock exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the second to last trading session of the week. And rather than talk about corporations on this relatively quiet session, I'm going to talk about 2 things. Number 1, thank you for noticing. Yes, I did finally get a haircut. Still getting a little too hot. You know, I like having hair because I have hair. I don't like to cut off my hair when I actually am naturally growing it. You understand? And number 2, tonight, let's go Mets. From Modern Wall Street, saying I'll see you guys all in the morning. I'm James Sweeney, off to the Bronx to watch the boys from Flushing, Queens win tonight.